Welcome to the second part of the tutorial how to make an embroidered part for a sport jacket. I hope you had fun embroidering the part. Now I will show you how to easily sew it on. The first part, how to create the part, is still available on my channel. Okay, let's start. This step requires a little bit of patience and the strength, as polyester tends to be tough, but I'm sure you will succeed. Tip number 1. Pin the part to the jacket. Thanks to this, you will sew the patch evenly and the jacket material will not wrinkle. Tip number 2. Use a thimble. The polyester used for winter jackets can be tough and often difficult to work with, but a thimble will make the process a lot easier. Remember not to rush. I used a very simple sewing stitch, which I showed you in detail in the video about making Christmas earrings. You can see it on my channel. This is one of the most basic hand stitches. Don't worry if it doesn't come out perfect. Sewing a part onto polyester is tricky, so be easy on yourself. You will see that I sew a fragment of the jacket to the part and had to undo the piece. It's okay to make mistakes. Everything can be improved in embroidery. The most important thing is that you want to extend the life of your clothes and put your energy into acquiring a new skill. You will see that the more you embroider, the better your design will look. I talk more about it in a free course you can see on my channel. I deeply believe that by doing creative work, we can stop the degradation of the natural environment. If you like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. It will motivate me to create more videos. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and creative ideas. Stay creative and have fun!